What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready to do our giveaway, Father's Day giveaway. Happy Father's Day to everybody who joined. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. We're live. Good luck. We had 134 names altogether in the list, which is a pretty good turnout. 9:01 on the clock here in Newfoundland, and we have a big list. Daly on top, and Terry, last one to join today. Everybody in between, guys, good luck. Top 3 names are going to be winners. Top name takes home Scott Niedermayer autographed Team Canada jersey. Second place gets a box of Blaster Boxes Series 2 plus a Blaster Box Series 2 plus an 8x10 Marian Gaborik, and spot 3 gets $25 great credit. So good luck. 4 randoms as always. Here's number 1. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 9:02. 9:02 it is. We're on our last and final random, so the top name after this one is going to be the winner. Good luck. There you go. Stefan taking home the Team Canada Scott Niedermayer jersey. Adam taking home the 8x10 plus the blaster box. And Scott is taking home the $25 break credit. So let's get to your last and final timestamp. Last and final timestamp is 9:02 and just turned 9:03. So there you go. We have our winners after the 4th and final timestamp. It is Stefan, spot 1 jersey. Adam, spot 2 box and 8x10, and Mr. Cito, you're taking home the $25 break credit. So there you go. Thanks for joining us, guys. Happy Father's Day again, and congrats to all the winners.